willpower can be explained as the capacity to do all those things which you really don't want to do, but you very well know that they are most important and must be done. This may include things like exercising regularly, kicking off addictions, eating better, learning new skills, working hard for the achievement of your dreams and desires, and so on and so forth. Willpower, in fact, happens to be the most important ingredient of extraordinary achievements and outstanding success in life and career. And I would like to tell you that even in the field of spirituality, the inner journey of self-realization starts with a strong willpower. It takes a lot of effort to start living consciously, and it requires great amount of willpower to achieve freedom from unconscious living. The world famous marshmallow experiment about 600 children aged from 3 to 5 years happens to be a landmark study that highlights the great importance of willpower, that those children who would resist the temptation of eating the marshmallows up to 15 minutes, they will be given double the marshmallows after 15 minutes. However, only 200 children could resist the temptation of eating the marshmallows up to 15 minutes. The life of all the 600 children was studied intensively for a long period of 40 years. After a detailed study, it was concluded that the 200 strong-willed children had outperformed the 400 weak-willed children in all walk of life on all the important tests of life. They had better SAT scores, they had obtained more education, they managed more income jobs and businesses. At the same time, it was also found that they occupied higher and bigger positions in society. They had lesser addictions and much better and cleaner criminal records. And now there is a very good news for everyone, that irrespective of age, experience or genetics, you can strengthen your willpower like your muscles to any extent. No matter how badly life has beaten you down, you can change and become whatever you like to be just by improving your willpower. And so here are 3 powerful devices for improving your willpower to any extent you want. You can start with simple practices of watching your sensations of the body just like a witness. For example, your body says you need to scratch, but you may resist the temptation of scratching, and you may declare, I will not. This may sound something very small, but if you sincerely practice it, after a due practice, you will find that your willpower has started increasing tremendously. The second device is, try to experience yourself as separate from your body. Since your early childhood, you have been following the dictates of your body and senses in all matters of life like food, sleeping, sex and everything. Have you ever ordered or commanded your body? I want to tell you, your body has been doing the ordering, and I want to tell you, your body has been doing all the ordering and you have been doing all the obeying. Consequently, you have failed to discover that you are something more than the body and the senses. And it is just because of the same that you have not been able to understand or experience the existence of willpower within you, which is really your own life force. In fact, all spiritual paths or religions had cultivated their own scientific practices for the improvement of their willpower, and it is through this that they had tried to make an effort to experience their being something separate from the body and the senses. However, all such things in the hands of foolish people proved useless and futile. For example, fasting was developed as a means to give birth to your willpower. If you can say with all your totality that I am not going to eat today, your body will stop demanding food, and now for the first time you will experience yourself being separate from the body, and in the process your willpower will grow by many times. Similarly, your body wants to sleep, but you can resist the temptation of sleeping by saying with all your totality, I am not going to sleep this night. Consequently, you will stay awake that night and sleep will not come to you. It is in this moment that you will experience yourself being separate from the body, and in the process your willpower will grow by many times. We never get such experiences simply because we silently go on obeying the dictates of our body. But once if you experience yourself being separate from the body, then for the first time you will find that a new dimension has been added to your life and living, and that is your life force or your willpower has started functioning and controlling your body and senses. In this connection, I would also like to tell that sudden stop exercises introduced by Gurdjieff had been also an attempt in the same direction of improving the willpower of the seekers. And finally, the single most powerful device for improving the willpower is meditation. See what happens in meditation. For example, you are practicing Vipassana meditation. While practicing Vipassana meditation, you are required to focus your attention on the incoming and outgoing breath. In the process, you find that very often your mind starts wandering off here and there, and in that situation you have to bring back your attention to your breath, and for this you have to exert the muscles of your brain. Time and again you have to exert your muscles for bringing your attention to the breath, and the whole process leads to the strengthening of your willpower. It may take time for you to succeed in meditation, but if you continuously practice meditation regularly, you will find that your willpower has started growing enormously. And with the growth of your willpower, you can create miracles in your life and career. At the same time, your willpower will expedite your inner journey towards self-realization or enlightenment. Thank you.